Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unmute internal mic on MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Apple MacBooks and many desktop Macs have built-in microphones. However, you can also connect headsets and other mics via USB and or Bluetooth. And here's on my previous video I've shown you how to mute the internal microphone, but now what if you want to unmute it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our system preferences on our MacBook. Now you can go to the sound, click on sound. You can go to input. Here's I'm using microphone port. If you want to unmute it, you can just slide this, adjust this to the left. And if you want to unmute it, you can just slide it to the right. If you want to input the volume bigger, you can slide like this. So you can adjust the volume. If you want to mute or unmute, you can just use in here. It's so simple, right? You can manage your internal microphone in here or any sound in here. So that is how to unmute internal microphone on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.